All right. Good evening, dogs. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. We're going to get started in just a minute or so. Sorry, I'm a little late. Yes, I'm 6 minutes late. Very sorry about that, guys. Very, very sorry. I had a pretty tough run tonight, so yeah, I was late. Yo, what's up, Rages? How you guys doing, man? Hopefully sound is loud and clear. Can you just guys confirm it? We're good to go? Sound is good. Perfect. Excellent. All right. So we are set for a pretty nice episode. Got some nice trade to break down. Let me just double check that my Trixie is open. Chart. Can it open? I'm actually journaling this one today. Actually, I'm gonna leave it open and open a new one. We're just about to get started, guys. So welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. So 1 minute, actually 30 seconds, and we're gonna get started. So let me welcome everyone. If we have new people here, the concept is pretty simple. It's called Forex Talk Over Beer for a reason, because I mean we're gonna have a beer and talk Forex. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna crack up a beer. I'm actually inviting you to have a drink with me, and we're gonna go over Q&As, breakdowns of trades what we took this week. Any question you guys have, feel free to ask. And yeah, let's have fun. First Forex Talk Over Beer in June, and yeah, it's gonna be a great one. The trade from yesterday. Actually, that one, a lot of people asked a question about it, so we're gonna go over it in detail. It's not a complicated one, but I guess people were curious to see the entry. How did it feel to go out into a beer and have a good time after so long in lockdown? Man, it was so much fun, man. Especially that night, which was Monday. Monday was the seventh game of 4 out of 7 of the series for the Avs against Toronto. So yeah, it was a lot of fun, man. It was just like, oh man, it feels so good to be in a restaurant, just enjoying, and people yelling, cheering for the team, and no, it was a lot of fun, man. It was a lot of fun. Food was good, drink was awesome. Um, yeah, man, felt so good. Felt so good after that lockdown. Everything is done now, so we are good to go. So let's see here. We're missing a couple people here. Just want to make sure I sent something in my Telegram. I think I forgot. Let's see. Uh, Forex talk over. Boom. All right. All right, Mr. Bank in the house. Holy, what's up? Man, I wish I could do that where I'm from. We're still in full lockdown. Or where are you from, man? I can't remember. All right, so first thing first, guys, let's crack up this beer. So you guys choose. I always do pre-show on Instagram before. So, and I ask people to choose between two beers I'm going to be drinking tonight with you. And this one is Better Run from Mesoram, and this is an IPA. This is 6.5%, and yeah, this is a pretty nice beer here. So let's see. There we go. So let's go. Oh yeah, that microbrewery, man. You can always count on that microbrewery. They always do good stuff. All right, so I'm about to do cheers with you guys. So what I want you to do is just snap a little picture with me. Take a cheers. Either if you have a glass of water, glass of wine, shots maybe. I don't know. Maybe you're having breakfast where you're at right now. So maybe you're watching the replay. It doesn't matter. Snap a picture with your drink. Do a cheers with me and post that on Instagram. Tag my name on it and I will reshare it. All right, guys. So you guys ready for the cheers? In 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right. So if you didn't have time to snap that picture, just rewind a little bit on YouTube and you'll be good, right? So cheers, guys. Oh, like I said, man, that microbrewery, man, I rarely tasted something not good from them. This is really, really good. All right, so let's get started. And don't forget to smash that like button as you come in, guys. All right, so let's see. Drinking some tap water, that's fine, man. Post a cheers. Sasha, how was your trading for May? Trading for me was rocky, man. We can take a look at my Trixie. We're gonna take a look at it if you want. Yeah, it was rocky, but the last week was getting better, right? So the second and the third week was like quite something. I was still in blue at the end, but I no cap, it was a hard one, you know. Um, all right, so let's see here. Let's switch from. All right, let's go. So let's start from. Actually, let's start from the trade from yesterday because that one, a lot of people asked question about it. So, you guys ready? Hopefully, you guys ready. All right, guys. 14 people, 20 people, shit, 20 people, and 4 likes. What's up with that? What's up? Man, it's Forex Talk over beer, man. Should be like 200% like ratio. Come on, man. We're having fun here. All right, cheers, guys. All right, so let's see this trade. So yesterday, by the way, Monday, no trade, right? Because the reason why it was bank holiday for GPP and also for who else was in bank holiday? GPP and USD. Yes. So I mean, in these when this happened, you should not be trading because there's no volume in the market. So yeah. So Monday was a no trade day. And so yeah, the first trade of the week and of the month was yesterday. So let's talk about that. So this morning, when looking at the chart, the overall trend was bullish, but new monthly and weekly needed to print a bottom wick first. So you know when we look at candles, we know that when this new candles start, whatever the direction is, I mean, needs to either print the bottom or the top wick first before going into the right direction, right? So right now, most of the time frame was bullish. So we knew that we had need to come. Sorry guys, I'm looking for my word tonight. We needed to come down, to create a bottom wick first. All right, so plus H4 and plus H4 plus on H4 we had lower highs. All right, so high lower highs. Yes, man, I'm so confused tonight. All right, so I was mostly looking for break and retest under previous H4 support at 7:30 a.m. We had a close under the zone, establishing engulfing resistance on 30-minute. Decided to take one entry at the opening of 8 a.m. candle and second entry on the break of previous low for an extra confirmation. That candle closed doji, so I decided to hold the trade. Finally went to 11 pips profit. Auto B got triggered, and my second position got stopped at B, and then closed my first position at 3 pips profit only. But that's fine, because I had a second attempt after that. We're going to take a look at this after. So now let's take a look at the first attempt. So, cheers, guys. All right, so now if you look at this monthly, okay? So if you look at the monthly, we are trending up, right? And this new monthly just opened right there. So we know that we're establishing support here. So we know that this candle needs to come down and start pushing back up after. Same thing happened with the weekly. It was the first day. We needed this week to come down, to come back up after, because we are bullish. Looking at the daily. Oops. Oh, that's why. So now, oops, wrong window. Sorry, guys. All right, so looking at the daily now, it had come down here, and yesterday closed bullish, right? All right, so looking now, H4. So I was talking about this H4 support right here. So this one, I was looking for sell under this H4 support, which is also kind of a double top, at the same time when you look at it. You got this right here, boom, boom, boom. And this is your neckline, right? So you look for entry under that neckline. But this is also a lower high, right? So it's a double top-ish, So all right. So anyway, so we had this resistance form here on H4. And this was at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Eastern. Next candle came down here and finally broke the low, close under. But that was at 9, that was at 5, yes. So at 5 a.m. So now looking on the lower time frame. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. All right, so basically I was looking for break and retest around here. So we never really had it. We had it after. But if you look here, this candle here at 7 a.m. kind of closed right under that support just by a tiny thing, So I was like, okay, perfect. Looking at the 30 minutes. Looking at the 30 minute, we came under, right? Same thing. We closed kind of a tiny bit under the support. So I was like, okay, makes sense. If we break this low, we're going to continue down. So I kind of took the first entry at the opening of the candle because we had a nice resistance form here, which was an engulfing candle also, indicating me that we're going to be continuing down at this point because, support was formed, price came up, form resistance, retest that low, and, now took entry here and waited for price to wick up, and once we broke that low, took my second entry. Actually, no, that's not true. I took my second entry, and after that we spent like, I don't know, I think it was like 23 minutes in drawdown. I was like, damn, so that was long, but it is what it is. I trusted my analysis and trusted myself and decided to hold. Next candle, this one, like I said, we spent time in drawdown and finally broke the low and closed as a doji. The reason why I decided to hold this trade is because, again, we broke it previous low, we respected previous high, and if you look on a higher time frame, we closed this. Oh no, that was the 7 a.m. Yeah, the 7 a.m. was a nice body candle, bearish, right? So now let's go back on 30 minutes. So finally, this candle started to push. Actually went to 11 pips right here, and auto break even was hit, and price after that on the next candle retraced up to entry, unfortunately. So my second entry went to break even, and when I saw that, I was like, all right, let me close the other one. So I closed the other one at 3 pips ish profits, and that's it. That's too bad because right after that, I mean, price went to TP here at 15 pips, but I was out at this time, and this price went up, never went to stop loss, and I would be in profit, but it is what it is. So hey, cheers. So that was the first attempt, so hopefully that makes sense. Hey, what's up, Marcus Stash, man? Cheers, buddy. J'ai essayé de se faire honneur, man, pour la course à soir, mais il n'y avait rien à faire, bro, man. C'était décevant. I'm profitable 1 week and break even next week. What should I do? Oh, that's actually a good question. So it all depends. It depends on many things. Are you always risking the same thing? Are you always trading the same setups? Or when you're winning, now you start to increase your lot size, and maybe you're more maybe you're too confident, maybe there's a lot of stuff, but maybe the next week, after 1 week profitable, maybe you take too many trades. There's something different that you're doing that second week. You gotta find out what it is. And pinpoint on that. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, please. That would be very appreciated. Hey, cheers, guys. Yeah, Ray just actually said exactly what I just said, basically. Yeah. So all right, so let's go over the second attempt here. All right, so second attempt. After the first attempt, I decided to give my trade a second chance with the same bias. This trade was taken on H1 on the London close candle. When price formed the top wick and broke H1 support, I was expecting volume to continue to push down to the H4 golden zone. Yes, okay, so that's something we're going to establish here. So let's go take a look at it. So basically, what you got to understand, guys, is this move down here, and we talked about this morning with students, because people get confused. When they see price like this moving down here, they think that now we're trending bearish. But not really. This is just a retracement down. Because if you look at what we got here. So if you place your Fibo here, there to there, you got your golden zone right here. Let's put it here so it's going to be easy for everyone. Boom, right on it. So this is the golden zone on H4. So now if you go in the lower time frame, you know that price made a new high. Price needs to come down, form support, and push back up, right? So that was the target. You know, that was the target actually to for the exit strategy for my TP. So basically what happened here, so on H1, if you look, this is the same bias as before, don't forget. So now I finally had my break and retest, finally had this breaking candle, you know, those two candles are the breaking candle basically. We got this one, a nice retest to the upside, and this one is my resistance form. And I didn't wait for this one to close because this is a volume candle. Okay, so this is the London close candle, so I don't need to wait for this one to be closed to take an entry. So basically this after the tail that was formed, because if you look on 30-minute also, you have a nice rejection here, nice rejection, small body doji candle. Go back on H1. So what I did is after this wick, this tail was formed, I actually used my dogtail setup on the break and retest setup also. So I kind of combined the two together. And what happened is when we broke the support here, I took my entry right here on the break of the low. And I took two entries back to back. And the reason why is I wanted to place auto break even at 11 pips. And what I did is I put one TP in full with my magic key at 11 pips for one of the two position. And the other position, I let it go to my 15 pips partial TP as usual. And the reason why I kind of changed my strategy these days, it's because the market is so crazy these days that I'm having a hard time getting my 15 pips. So I have to adjust, right? But usually I have no problem getting my 15 pips, but now I need to adjust, right? To make sure I secure some profits. So basically, close one at auto B. I should add actually in that note, auto B plus one position close in full. Perfect. So one position got closed in full, and after that, a second position got closed at 90% at 15 pips. 50% of the runner was closed here at this major QP. And my final runner, my exit was at 154 and 100. I was set there because it was support. If you look left, whoops. If you look left right here on 30-minute, you have a nice little support right there, right in the golden zone right here on the H4 golden zone. So this was a pretty nice exit. I think I was able to profit from the whole move almost, you know, just missing a couple pip, which is, I think that was a pretty good exit. This was one of my pretty good exits since a while, you know, because usually I exit pretty early. This one was a pretty good exit. So yeah, so that was the trade, man. Any question about that one? Any question? Any question? Let's see. Let's see. Hey, cheers, guys. Hey, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Cheers. I'm drinking a Mexican beer. Oh, cheers, man. Hello from Dubai. Oh, what's up, Dubai, man? Cheers. That was an insane trade. Oh, thank Mark. Yeah, that was a pretty good trade. I kind of really like this kind of trade, to be honest. So now let's take a look at the trade from today. If we don't have any question about this one, so let's see the chat here. So last chance to ask question about that trade. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. Cheers, buddy. Hey, don't forget to snap a picture, post it on Instagram. I will reshare it. Today was quick. Yeah, today finally we had a quick move. I mean, quick. Still took like, what, 2 candles? Usually we get those moves like in second. Like, not second, but you know what I mean. Pretty fast. Um, all right, so let's see. Next trade. Next trade, I didn't finish journaling it. It's right here. This is on GJ also. So, and the reason why I'm trading mostly GJ this week, it's because I divorced GA for 1 week. so only next week I'm gonna look back at GA. AUD USD. Cheers. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to look at charts today. Today I'm just going over breakdowns from trades that we actually took. But tomorrow morning, though, you can log in. We're going to have a live session at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. We're going to go over different charts, different pairs. You just need to send your chart, and I will be taking a look at AUD USD. Yo, Sasha, when you say you had a partial TP, does your MetaTrader automatically close percentage of your trade without your input or magic key? Yes, I selected with magic key. Yes. So I press partial TP with magic key, and in my setting, it's already preset that it's gonna be closing at 90%. So, or I can switch it pretty easy. Sometimes when I see I have room, I close 80% and I let 20% run. Yes. Okay. That's midnight for me. Okay, I will wait for your live. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Tomorrow morning, man. Hey, cheers again. Man, that beer is really good, man. Really, really good. All right. So let's see the trade from today. Finally. We had a pretty fast trade here. So basically, same analysis, basically price came back here. So we had price coming down in the golden zone, and what we had here was price coming down with a reversal pattern, right? So we can expect price now to continue up, and finally go towards the right direction for the higher time frame. Yeah, the higher time frame, like the monthly and the weekly, right? So this was pretty good. Price came up and started to range right here. If you look 30-minute, we had a fake out here. Price came back up. No fake out. It kind of closed in the range. Right here. Right here was the trade. So basically, I was waiting for break and retest above this zone or a dogtail setup. So if you look on 30-minute, at 8:30, this is NY open volume. So I basically, very simple trade, textbook dogtail setup. Basically waited for this candle to open, created that tail, and start to break the high of this candle. Took 2 entries back to back right here. Close one in full at 11 pips. And the other one, as you see, didn't hit 15 pips. So the other one got closed at 1 pip profit, and that's it. So but one was closed at 11 pips in full, like 11.5 actually, to be specific, precise, I should say. And price started to come down in range and came back down in that range. So it is what it is, right? But we knew that we had this minor resistance right here that was might be a problem, but it was 8:30 a.m. So I was like, meh, probably the volume should push it up and break this, but unfortunately not. So, but that's okay. It was a nice little win. One position closed in full, so that's pretty good. And yeah, if you look at 1 hour, it actually makes sense, right? So this 1 hour, as you see, we had like a support here. So this 1 hour, the 8 a.m. candle, bam, pushed straight up. So yeah, it made a lot of sense for price to continue up, but unfortunately, it came back down. It is what it is, secure profits. That's the important thing, man. Nothing wrong with securing profits. It's all about securing profits, man. Secure profits, secure profits, secure profits. And now price is just now back in this range. So now there's nothing to do with GJ at this point. You gotta wait, man. You gotta wait. So right now, if you look at 4 hours, price made resistance. So price needs to come down, retest this low if you want to continue down. But we need to trade what we see, right? But in my mind, I'm pretty sure we're gonna form support right here, and we're gonna continue up at this stage. Um, but if we continue down, that's fine. That's okay with me. I don't really care. But I'm pretty sure now we're gonna start pushing back up again. So we had our retracement in this golden zone on H4. So now we need to start coming back up. So now we kind of create this new high that needs to print a support and retest this high. So yeah, man. So pretty simple. Yeah. No question tonight. You guys are very quiet, man. So any question about anything, Q&As, let's go over some questions here. So let's see. Will you do live stream when Raja takes a break while moving to another country? Uh Probably. Probably. Maybe not every day, but probably most of the days. Yes. We kind of have a discussion with students this morning, and nobody seems to be against it, so probably gonna do it. But there's maybe 2 days I need to be in the Ottawa region for work, so I might not be streaming those 2 days, but except that I should be good. Yes. If he does, I can wait to watch Sasha every morning for the next week or two. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, probably gonna be doing it. Probably gonna be doing it. Yes. Yeah. So you can pass the word around. Actually, we're gonna do it. You know. So we're gonna do it, and you guys have to thank the pack member, because if anyone would have said, yeah, no, I prefer not to, I will respect that, because this is quality time I'm reserving for my students usually. So yeah. Um you'll have to check this out with Raja. Yes, I actually I need to confirm with him, but should be fine. Um how do you determine a golden zone? Oh, golden zone is a fib rejection between the 50 and the 618 level in the fib level. Yes. Yeah, Mark is representing the pack tonight, man. Where's Roman? Roman was on Instagram like a couple minutes ago. Probably too drunk right now. Cheers, guys. All right, any questions, guys? Let's go. Shoot it up. Shoot it up. Any questions? Go over some Q&As. And if not, I mean, I think that's pretty much it. We went over the trades. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget, this is the last week to take advantage of the 3 months payment plan. I don't, can you say that like this? Anyways, so if you look here on Instagram, I gave you guys an extra week, but after that, it's, oh man, the game is starting in like an hour. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. So here, so if you go right here, so special announcement, if you're looking to join FX Dogs Academy and use the 3 month payment plan, you got one more week to do so. Register before June 6th, midnight. June 6th is Sunday. Eastern time, we will be removing this payment method. And the reason why people ask, it's because it's way too much management, man. Because when payment doesn't go through, I need to contact people, and so yeah, and it's a lot of stuff to do, and I have a lot of stuff to do in my life. So yeah, I cannot manage this. Keep also in mind that the price will be increasing soon. I don't know. Don't ask me when. I don't know yet. But we'll definitely be increasing the price, because I mean, I'm doing one-on-one with students. We're doing a lot of stuff with students, and I think that's pretty cheap. For lifetime mentorship. So, I think 500 is pretty damn cheap. People already paid their mentorship. Like Roman actually paid it after 1 week, I think. So I mean, so 650. Yeah, okay. So that's the French version. So yeah. So anyways, so this was just a quick little thing. I want to point that out. Let's see here. Question. Uh, it's between the okay. Would you leave your runner run until next QP before taking profits again, or support and resistance? It all depends on the setup. So if you look in this example, so in the example of yesterday, where was it? here. Here. Okay. So in the example of yesterday, when I take my entry here, I'm at 15 pips and I got a major QP here. So this is a major QP. I want to make sure I secure profits because a lot of time you're going to see some rejection at major QP, right? So I want to secure some profits there. And after that, I go to the next support. So it makes sense. And also the other thing you add, look at this. Students know about that. I don't talk about that a lot in live stream, but here's a special cue for you guys. When price comes down and it breaks the major QP, you got to watch out for that 750 QP level because this is a reversal one. This is called undershot. And actually, you look at what it happened. Bam, undershot, rejected. So yeah, keep that in mind. Let's see. Man, I'm giving you free stuff, man. Free shit. Smash that like button. Let's see. The pack is real, guys. This is insane. Yes. We do so much more than just trading. This is so true, Mark. This is so true. This community, to be honest, man, best community I've ever been. It's just the group that we have. Man, the people are just quality, man. It's just like amazing. The people that we have in our group. It's just I'm so blessed to have those people around me, man. They are a great bunch of people, man. They are really, really hard at work, and yeah, everyone's helping each other. So yeah, I know it sounds cheesy maybe to say, but man, you gotta experience it to realize it, man. I'm telling you, it's just like so far, everyone that came in the group is like, man, this group is awesome. So I have to thank every pack member, man, because they are amazing. They are amazing. Um, Yo, Sasha, you got any tips for learning French? Um, yes, same thing as everything. I learned most of my English watching English TV. So maybe watch some movie that in English, watch it in French. There's also an app called Duolingo. Can't remember the name of it, but this is actually a pretty good app. I'm actually trying to use that to I need to get back at it. I got sloppy, but I kind of started to because I wanted to learn Spanish, right? So I can't remember the name of the app. It's Duolingo, something like that. Anyways, but yeah, there's some pretty good apps that you can learn for free actually, which is pretty good. Thomas, pack is the best. Oh man, thank you, man. Yeah, Thomas in our pack is one of our pack member. Tony, ask me, Rages. Oh, quelle est la paire de devises la plus sûre? Oh, ok. Ça dépend vraiment. Oui, comme Marc dit, ça dépend vraiment de ton style. Ça dépend vraiment de ton style. Personnellement, moi, j'adore la paire GBP, GP. Je n'oublie jamais comment dire en français, mais le pound contre le yen. Donc, j'adore cette paire-là parce qu'elle bouge rapidement. Mais il y a des gens qui vont préférer l'euro et le yen parce que ça bouge un peu plus lentement. Donc, ça dépend vraiment de ton style. Oh, that dude Jose Duolingo. That's it. That's the one. Yes. Mais non, effectivement, il n'y en a aucune de sûre. Non, ça c'est certain, Tony. Il n'y en a aucune de sûre. Il n'y en a aucune que tu vas gagner à 100%. Aucune. Duolingo, yes. Yes, that's it. That's it. You guys got my back, man. Thank you, man. So Duolingo, yes. Yeah, pretty good app. Pretty good app for free also. So that's good. We like free shit, right? So, by the way, I'm thinking about Friday nights. Friday night we might do something special. You know what? Friday nights. You know what? Friday night we're gonna do a spin the wheel. We're gonna have 3 people let's do. Are we gonna do 3? Yeah, let's go 3 winners. That's gonna be able to spend, let's say 3 days on Zoom with us. That's cool, right? Is it cool? So yes, so 3 winners Friday for next week. They're gonna be able to trade with us privately on Zoom on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cool. Fire emoji if you like this idea. If you don't like it, let me know. I'm not gonna do it. Fire emoji. Let's see if we can get some fire emoji. And don't forget to smash that freaking like button. Are we gonna do this or what? But I want you, I'm gonna do a post later tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. But I need you all to reshare that in your story. So fire! Alright, so we got some fire emoji coming up. How to enter? Just gonna be there Friday night. That's it. So you're gonna be there Friday night, smash that fire emoji, I'm gonna put your name on the draw. So, or I'm gonna do a question on Instagram. It's one or the other. I just had this random idea right now. So, and this idea actually, it's not mine. It's Mike who actually gave me the idea a while back, and I completely forgot about it, and just now I got to remember. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna definitely do that. Yes. All right, guys, perfect. So don't forget, be there Friday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna do that draw, and don't forget to reshare the info. I'm gonna post it on Instagram. And if you're not following the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe, activate notification, and don't forget to smash that like button. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning for a live trading session in Franglish. So basically, I'll be bouncing from French to English. This Forex Talk over here is mostly English, but tomorrow morning I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer different questions, right? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. We're going live tomorrow morning. Yes, sir. Friday, it's NFP, so I'll probably not be trading, and I'm probably going to be in Quebec City for work, so probably not be streaming. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So all right, guys, 5:30 a.m. Eastern on YouTube. Let's rock and roll, guys. Grab a warm coffee and enjoy. Yes, Mark, man. Cheers, guys. Last cheers. Cheers. Enjoy your night. It's game night tonight. Thank you, Buku. I like that. That is true. Oops. Man, that beer just went all over the place. So, thank you, Buku is truly Franglish, man. Hey, thanks, guys. Have a great day.